So what is prop drilling? Prop drilling happens when you have to pass data through multiple levels of components. Even if some of those components don't need the data themselves, you're just passing props down and down and down until it finally reaches the component that needs it. It works, but it becomes messy, especially as your app grows. Let me show you what it looks like. In your React app, go to your src folder and create a new folder called drill example. Inside it, create 3 files: parent.js, child.js, and grandchild.js. Parent.js, import React from React. Import child from /child. Function parent, const username equals codemaster. Return div h2, I'm the parent, child username. Export default parent. Import React from React. Import grandchild from /grandchild. Function child username. Return div h3, I'm the child, grandchild username equals export default child. Grandchild.js, JSX import React from React, function grandchild, username, return I'm the grandchild, hello, username. Export default grandchild. Now in your app.js, import the parent component. Import React from React. Import parent from /drill-example/parent. Function app, return div stylo padding 40px, h1 prop drilling demo. Export default app. Open your browser and go to /localhost 3000. You'll see prop drilling demo. I'm the parent, I'm the child, I'm the grandchild. Hello, Codemaster. Pretty cool, right? But here's the issue. The child component didn't even need the username, but it had to receive and pass it just to get it to the grandchild. As your app gets deeper, this becomes annoying and error-prone. So how do we solve this? Well, there are a few ways, but let's start with one of the most powerful tools in React: React Context. Let's refactor the same example using Context API to avoid prop drilling. In the drill example folder, create a new file, useContext.js, import React from React, const useContext equals react.createContext, export default useContext. Now update parent.js to use the context provider. Import React from React, import child from -child, import userContext from /userContext. Function parent, const username equals codemaster. Return userContext.provider value equals username, I'm the parent, context, child, userContext provider. Export default parent. Now, remove the prop from child.js. Import React from React. Import grandchild from /grandchild. Function child, return div h3, I'm the child x3, grandchild div. Export default child. And in grandchild.js, access the context. JSX import React, useContext from React. Import userContext from function grandchild. Const username equals useContext, userContext. Return. I'm the grandchild context. Hello, username. Export default grandchild. Save the files, go back to your browser, and everything still works perfectly. But now, no more drilling. The username is passed directly to the component that needs it, thanks to React Context. You're watching Code with me, and I'll see you in the next one.